we are discussing about OOPS concepts. First one is abstraction. We know abstraction means which hides the complex implementation details and shows only necessary details of an object. Okay. Now, how we can implement this in programming? We can implement abstraction in programming using abstract classes and interfaces. Okay. Now, what is an abstract class? An abstract class is a class which cannot be instantiated. Okay, cannot be instantiated means we cannot create object of that class. Next and important point is usually an abstract class will have at least one abstract method. Okay. Now, what is an abstract method? That is another question. An abstract method is a method which is having only function declaration and not function body. Okay. Usually there are two types of methods, an abstract method and a concrete method. Concrete method is a normal method. This one is a concrete method, means which is having a function declaration and function body. Function body is what we are writing inside these braces. Okay. But abstract method is a method which is having only function declaration. Right? Here it is having only function declaration and not function body. We didn't write anything inside the braces, right? So this is having only function declaration and not function body. Also it is denoted with abstract keyword. Okay, so this is a abstract method and this is a abstract class. Okay, class shape is a abstract class. Now what is the use of this abstract method? Because this is not having any function body, then where we have to write this function body? We have to write the function body wherever we are extending the class. This shape class having this abstract method, and wherever we are extending the shape class, there we have to provide the function body. Okay, see this class. This rectangle class is a normal class and this extends the shape class. Okay, now this rectangle class will have all the properties of shape, means if this shape class having some variables and functions, those variables and functions can be accessed using this rectangle class. Okay, means this rectangle class will have all those properties, right? Now this rectangle class extends shape. Here we have to provide the function body. Okay, see this draw function we wrote again here and provided the function body. Okay, this is how we have to provide the function body here. This is an annotation override. For now just ignore this, I will explain this later. Now just look into this code. Similarly we have another class circle. Okay, this also extends shape, means this circle class will have all the properties of this shape class. Okay, here also we are extending the shape class, so we have to provide the function body. See, function declaration and function body. Okay, inside the braces we have to write the function body. This is inside the circle class, so we just sys out drawing circle. Okay, we have two sysouts, one inside the rectangle class and another inside the circle class. So in total we have three classes, one abstract class, shape, and two normal classes, rectangle and circle, and these two classes extends shape class. Okay, also we are provided the function body in both the classes. We have two sysout in these two classes and we can see how it is printing. We can run the program. Before I run, I just explain the main class also. This is the main class. Why this is the main class? Because this is having the main method. Okay, so this is the main class. When we run the program, the control first hits inside the main method. Okay, I will explain this code. Here we are created an object of rectangle class. For better understanding, I will change the name. Okay, now see, here we are created an object of rectangle class, means class then object name equal to new class. Okay, Here rect is the object name. We know object is an instance of a class, right? Instance of a class means we have all the properties of rectangle class here in this object. Okay, means using this object we can access all the variables and functions inside the rectangle class. Okay, similarly we are created an object of circle class. So now this circle is the object name. Using this circle object we can access all the variables and functions inside this circle class. Okay, that is what given here. This is the object of rectangle class. Using this object we are calling the draw function inside this rectangle class. So this will invoke the function inside the draw function inside the rectangle class. See this one. This is the rectangle class and this is the draw function. So using this rect object we are calling the draw function. So this will invoke and it will print this line, right? Similarly we are invoking the draw function inside the circle class. Okay, so this is the circle class and we are invoking the draw function inside this circle class using the circle object. Okay, so this will print, this line will print. So it will print two lines, this one and this one. Now we can just run this program. Run. See, printed drawing rectangle and drawing circle, right? How it is printed? Using these two lines. Rect.draw means this is calling the draw function inside the rectangle class using the rect object. Okay. Similarly, this line is calling the draw function inside the circle class using the circle object. Rect.draw means the draw function is calling using the rectangle object, and circle.draw means this is calling the draw function using the circle class. Sorry, circle object. Okay. This is how it is printed. This is the whole code and this is what abstraction means. This hides the complex implementation details and shows only necessary details of an object. Okay. So this much in this video. In the coming videos we will discuss about other OOPS concepts. Thank you all.